When we start with a clean slate, when we start with these poses, these breaths, we bring in a sense of balance to our to-do lists, to our minds and emotions. So we start the day from a place of responding rather than reacting. So go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath into your belly. Exhale out your mouth. 3-part breath now. Inhale into your belly. Inhale into your heart. Exhale out your mouth. Inhale into your belly. Inhale into your heart. Exhale out your mouth. A few more. Inhale belly. Fill yourself up. Inhale heart. Exhale out your mouth. Now breathe in and out through your mouth the whole time. Inhale through your mouth into your belly. Inhale through your mouth into your heart. Exhale out your mouth. Few more. Inhale, mouth open, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale out. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale, let it go. Last 2. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale out. Last one with your mouth open. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale out. Gently return to your natural breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Allow your body to settle. Give yourself permission to set an intention. What do you wish to cultivate today? Maybe that's more compassion. Maybe that's kindness. Whatever it is, trust it. Let whatever comes to mind be your intention. For when we quiet our bodies, when we quiet our minds, we're able to tap into our intuition. We're able to trust that deeper inner sense of knowing that will always serve us well and help us find alignment. So take one more deep breath here, solidifying this intention. And exhale, send it out into the world. You can gently place your hands over your heart center to connect with yourself in gratitude for showing up today, taking this time to move on your mat. Start your day with gentleness and compassion for your body and your spirit. I honor your trust. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you.